Welcome, question 37. If M is a 2 by 2 matrix of minus 5, 7, minus 3, 0, we have to find the inverse of M. And in finding the inverse, we need the determinant. We also need the adjoint. So how do we find the determinant? Or let's say if I'm having a matrix A, which is having the entries A, B, C, D, and I'm going to find the determinant of A. Remember, the determinant of A is going to be a scale number. So we find the leading diagonal AD minus the other diagonal BC. And to find the inverse of A is just having 1 over the determinant of A multiplying the adjoint, which means that changing the position of the leading diagonal with D, then negating the other diagonal, the values remain the same, we only change their position. This is exactly what the inverse is about. So to find the determinant of M, which is what we are faced with, it means the leading diagonal 0 times negative 5 will be 0 minus negative 3 times 7, that will be a negative 21. So negative will give you a positive 21. So determinant is known. Then the inverse is just 1 over the determinant multiplied by the adjoint. What is the adjoint? Changing their position, meaning 0 go to the first entry. In this place, we are going to negate them, meaning negative, positive 3. If you negate this, negative 7, then the position of negative 5 take effect. So we are multiplying by that scalar of 1 over 21. So this gives you 0 in the first entry. If you multiply here, negative 7 over 21, 7 can go here 3 times. So negative 1 on 3. If you multiply this, 3 over 21, 3 goes here 7. So 1 over 7. This will become negative 5 over 21, which don't have a factor to be simplified. So this becomes the inverse of the matrix word M. And in our option, that will be the option word B. I guess correct? Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 38.